This Beachfront Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julio Vega. Beautiful unit located on the corner with partial views of the marina and golf course. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, walk-in closets in the main bedroom. Great amenities, heated pool, clubhouse, barbecue area, fitness center, laundry facilities, sauna, library, party room, hot water, cable and internet. 5 minutes to Aventura Mall, restaurants. Close from the beach. And mini plazas in Sunny Isles. For more information, review the details below or contact Julio Vega at 786-487-5979.